everything you've done for us. We really appreciate it. We're so grateful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for your patience and everything here. And we're really enjoying ourselves and we bless your hearts. Thank you.
She's bought me some food which is associated to her country. I've met her mother and Jessica, and her power, her will is absolutely brilliant. Speaking to the others too. It's almost like there's no much thing as homelessness.
Thank you, Hotspur.
Thank you so much.
Happy anniversary. We thank you for the space that you have given us to express ourselves in the community and feed the less fortunate than ourselves. Thank you for the space you have given us.
Thank you for everything.
Yes.
It's very nice place to meet all the people. And we enjoy the food and everything. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I've been coming here for quite a while now, and I appreciate all the things that Jessica has done for the community. Thank you so much, Jessica, and yourself for all the effort that you put into it.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for everything. Thank you for this lovely food and thank you for these lovely people.
Thank you so much. I've been coming here for quite a while now, and I appreciate all the things that Jessica has done for the community. Thank you so much, Jessica, and yourself for all the effort that you put into it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. We just want to say thank you so much. We want to appreciate you for years of support, for years of accommodation, for giving us this wonderful place. We really, really appreciate your patience. I know that we have not been the best, but we are trying our best, and we want you to be more patient with us. We want to use this one to say thank you so much and happy
so much on behalf of this beautiful charity, Women at the Well. I thank you for what you have been doing for them, for actually giving them the opportunity to be here for the past 4 years.
Yes.
I have been coming here because living down the road by Stamford Hill, it was just a loneliness and boredom that was until I found out this place existed. I must say thank you so much, and I, on behalf of whoever that is bringing this to the homeless or whatever, whoever comes here every Saturday, and I have been coming too, because I mean, coming, there's a give and you receive. I've been coming and I have been appreciating what they've been doing here, and I say again, Tottenham Hotspur, I salute you all. Thank you so much.
Resources, rent. We pray that you a bit patient with us, and we are doing something about it. All the same, we appreciate everything you have done.
Thank you, Hotspots. We're thanking you for the space you have given us to accommodate our people in the community. They are very happy using this space. You have made it possible for us to be able to reach out to all of these people and put some life and happiness into their lives. They look forward to come every Saturday where they can meet and mingle with each other. Thank you for the opportunity.
Reach out to humanity, Jake Seekers, and your clue, you are a phenomenon. We love you, Tottenham loves you, England loves you, and the world appreciates what you're doing here.
Women of the well, bringing hope to the night. Out in the cold, lost and alone, no place to go, no warmth, no home. But there's a light, a love so true, a hand to hold, reaching out to you. They don't turn away, they don't walk on by. They see your pain, wipe the tears you cry.